Let's go! Oh my god. I wish I had a better camera. This one is truly amazing. Fantastic. Painted by Juan Luna. Am I right or am I right? This one is Josephine Bracken. I'm sure. Josephine Bracken. Love, I will love you ever. Love, I will leave thee never. Ever to me precious to thee. Never to part, heart bound to heart. Or never to say goodbye. So my darling, receive many warm affection and love from your ever faithful and true till death us part. Wait lang. Oh, what is this? Imitasyon di Cristo. Gosh. The House of Representatives floor. Puntahan na natin sila. Gallery 6. Kita mo siya. Juan Luna. Grabe, no? Parang authoritarian yung mukha. Gallery 4. Let's go. A lot of paintings ng mga sinaunang Pilipina. Ay, hindi masyadong kita sa camera. Okay. So, this is like my birthday treat to myself. Kasi I am so amazed with history. I wanted to learn more about it. Look at this painting of a baby. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this. Painted 1902. Oh my god. So this baby is dead. Recuerdo di patay. Memento mori. Oh my goodness. I am so sorry. Oh. This is the portrait of an old lady. Amazing. Ganda. Diba? Bakit hindi tayo binigyan ng talent para mag-paint? What do you think? Oh, goodness. Oh, I wanna read what's in this one. 100 Treasures of Philippine Art. Gallery of paintings of the Philippine colonial tradition of portraiture. Nice. Nantok na siya. think this is not his thing, but this is my wish for my birthday, so sinamahan niya ako. Praile. Ano, nanto ka na? Hindi na kami pumunta ng Gallery 3 kasi siya ay iglesia. So, here. Puro mga santo ang nandoon. So, yeah. Dito ako. Oh, ganda. Wow. This is amazing. Kuha sa loob ng ika-18 siglong simbahan ng Loy. Immaculada Conception sa Guluan, Silangang Samar. Oh. Wow. Grabe, no? Paano to ginawa? Shucks. These statues. Oh my God. Unknown artist. Oh my goodness. These are all unknown artists. Oh my God. Look at that. Shucks. Oh my God. Diba? Ganda. Ano to? Totoo ba to? Or it's like part of an old convent. I'm gonna read what's in here. Retablo, side altar, Church of San Nicolas de Tolentino, Timiao, Bohol, circa 18th century. Ayos. Grabe, oh. Pansamantalang sarado. Alin ang sarado? Lawak dito. Sayang sana nilagyan nila ng ano? Ng something. Kesa siya empty, di ba? Bilog. Wow. Ganda. Imagine mo na sa kwarto mo to. Look at this. Oh my God. Marble. Cavite City. Ha? Marble. Taga Cavite City. Cavite City. Ganda nito. This is carved. Green glass. Yung isa. Green glass. Ramon Orlina. Ganda, diba? Look. Steel from Ramon Orlina. Amber glass. Ooh, this is so nice. Look at this. Elegance and some simplicity. Still from the same artist. And this one. Wow. Hindi makita. Green blood. And this one. Amazing. Whoa, look, Polion Veloso Abreva. Who? Who is this? Andres Soriano. Bust of Andres Soriano. Guillermo Tolentino is the artist. This one is V.H. Hartendorp. This one would be a portrait of a matriarch. Matriarch. Matriarch, tama ba? Am I right or am I right? Bust of a gentleman in rose. What's this one? Scale model of what? Of who? Quintin Paredes. Quintin Paredes. Don Quintin. Nice. Bust of Consolacion Simian. Hushi. Bust of Jacob Lim Chitko. Oh. Wow. Guillermo Tolentino. Oh. Imagine, this is all done by Guillermo Tolentino. Wow. This man is amazing. Bust of Andres Bonifacio. How talented he is. Grabe. Grabe. Sana all. The artistry of Guillermo Tolentino is on a different level. Grabe. Yeah. Look. Grabe. Kung buhay pa to, magpa-picture talaga ako yan. His medals. The bust of Dr. Nicanor Reyes. Look at that. How accurate it is. Grabe, no? James and Sofia de Vera. And Roberto Corpus Castor. Juan Sumulong. Nice. Oh, this woman is beautiful. Luisa Marasigan. Look at the nose. My gosh. Amazing. Look at that. Oh my god. Ganda. Nice. Tocador. 1920s to 1930s. Terno of First Lady Aurora Quezon. Nice. Grabe. It's beautiful. Galing. Super sinauna talaga. Ay, yung cucumber ko.
Tayo kakain. Wala pag ano. Wala nag-aano eh. Saka ba?
Ayaw nga pala.
Pwede na po kayo, ma.
Quiapo galore. Cheesy corn. Dami talaga nakakita dito sa Quiapo eh. Yeah.
Yung Quiapo yung bayan natin.
Kahit basahan.
Thank you, Lord, for another year. May this year be full of love, laughter, abundance, and good health. Please. DIY beads. Nasa DIY beads tayo kasi gusto kong matutong gumawa ng mga anik-anik.
Sa ngayon, papadudo sa inyong malapit na akong mga anak. Si Tito Samuel at wala na kaming balita sa kanya.
Wow.
Hindi ay inaayos.
Basahin mo nga ako ng kagay.
102 subscribers on
Oh, para sa yan.
Sa akin. Mag-share tayo dito.
Very good.
3, 2, 1.
Kunin mo.
Pangit lang.
Wait lang, yung paa mo.
Ready na?
Happy 102 subs on YouTube.
Yay!
Yay!
Next one.
Sa YouTube ka din?
Happy ka? Oh, may gift pa si Mama. May gift pa. Isa pa.
Ah, sige.
Asa na yung gift ko? Wait lang, dyan ka lang. Oh, pen mo.
Wow! Wow! May mama namin si ate.
Tingin, patingin. Patingin.
Ba't hindi na siya? Ano to?
Ano, pulsera, bracelet.
Wow!
Asa?
Ay!
Huwag mo mawawala yung sing-sing.
Happy birthday, Papa! Ay,
Ano ba yan? Baliwalik, Papa!
Bilis!
Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama!
Thank you.
Okay, blow na, blow. Happy birthday.